Hi everybody, welcome back to The Distressed Princess and episode 3 of my Christmas craft series. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that button so you don't miss out on any inspiration and great ideas. In today's video, I have crafts that I think of as Mrs. Claus's kitchen. I think all these things would be so cute in a kitchen that was done up Candyland style or gingerbread. I got this sign on clearance for $3.99 at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it would be great to use my brand new Magnolia Design Company stencil that says Mrs. Claus Bake Shop. So the first thing I did was paint over this. I really thought that it was a cute sign, but I don't have any little girls. So I painted over this cute sign with Waverly White chalk paint. Now the thing of it is, the only Magnolia Design Company chalk paste I had was the red, Old Glory red. But I heard that you could use regular acrylic paint, so I'm using Apple Barrel in Laguna. I think that's what that is. And I also had some gray chalk paint, and I'm trying to match that wall art from the Dollar General that you see laying on top of the stencil. I wanted the colors to be the same. So whether the regular paint works out or not, we will see. So the first thing you do with these silk screen stencils is, I think it's called fuzzing. You want to lay it on a towel to kind of de-sticky it a little bit. And you do that about 3 times. Put it on a towel and take it up and de-stickify it just a little bit. And then you put it on whatever you're stenciling on. I will say that all 3 of those paints went on well. I didn't have any problem getting the paint onto the stencil. But here's the moment of truth. As I peel this stencil back, I will reveal to you the truth. And the truth is, please use the Magnolia Design Company chalk paste, because you can see the red, which is the Magnolia Company, is crisp, clean lines. The aqua is bled through. It's not crisp, clean lines. And the gray regular chalk paint was okay. It was better than the acrylic, but I still would recommend use the Magnolia Design chalk paste, and your designs will come out so much better. The second craft in Mrs. Claus's kitchen today is a pair of mugs that we are going to decorate using Dollar General wall stickers. That's only $1. This special dishwasher safe Mod Podge and red acrylic paint. The first thing you need to do is read the instructions on your Mod Podge, which I failed to do. What you need to do is put a coat of Mod Podge down on your mug first, and then put your wall sticker. And I'm sure this is to help your stickers stay on longer and just wear better. Now with your red acrylic paint, you'll paint a cheerful ring around the top of the mug. Make sure your red paint is dry and then seal it all in with another coat of Mod Podge. And this is supposed to be dishwasher safe, non-toxic. You should be able to drink out of these. I'm guessing Mrs. Claus has something really cute to hold her utensils, and so we're going to make a really cute utensil holder. This is just a crock that I had for many years, and it's damaged. It came from TJ Maxx. We're going to pretty it all up using those Dollar General wall stickers. First, I put a coat of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and this helped also in when you go to put those wall stickers on, because they are pretty sticky. It helps you to kind of slide them around in place, and nothing is too permanent until that Mod Podge is set, because I'm notorious for getting things put on a little crooked, and I wish that I could go back and change it, but usually when that happens, things will rip when you go to take them back off. This saves you from all of that. Put this Mod Podge down first, and then you can kind of slide these stickers around. And then seal it all in with another coat of that dishwasher Mod Podge. Now, what about the treats that Mrs. Claus probably has in her kitchen? These little gingerbreads came from the Dollar Tree last year. I can't even believe they survived my Christmas totes and didn't get broke, because they are real gingerbread meant to be eaten. But I'm going to put them in this jar. I'm going to put Epsom salt down first to make the bulk of my snow. And then I'm going to take some fake flurry snow, which they have bags of those at the Dollar Tree for $1, and that adds more realness to the snow. I have to say, making these little crafts was like being a kid again at Christmas time. There's something about the whimsy of using these colors and using those little gingerbreads and playing in the snow. It was all such great fun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. You can find me over on Instagram, Pinterest, and my blog, thedistressedprincess.com. And that's going to do it for now. I'll see you next Friday.